Well, a tech startup in West Lafayette is getting ready for its commercial launch. News 18's Marcus Truccio has more on what technology the company has to offer and what it means for the future of tech manufacturing in this area.
West Lafayette-based Novolytic was founded over 8 years ago with the goal of developing technologies that would help people become safer and healthier. The startup received their last round of funding needed to prepare for the commercial launch, which will happen sometime early in 2023.
Well, we're just using nanotechnology to detect poisons and improve the quality of drug manufacturing.
Additionally, the technology will be used in real time, which is crucial. Currently, the only way to control quality is to take a sample and analyze it for 4 to 8 hours while production is still happening. If the product is bad, then they have a massive cleanup to do. The new nanotechnology will cut that window down to 15 minutes, ultimately making pharmaceutical products safer to consume.
So the issue, though, is you're manufacturing it. Is it all of good quality? Is there anything toxic about it or something that will cause it not to work well? And so just as when you manufacture anything else, you'd like to know that, in fact, it's good and everything you're manufacturing hour by hour is therapeutic. And so that's what we do. We're in the process of making instruments that will do that.
The new technology is not overly complicated. It is easy to use and accessible for companies to purchase.
So the customer does not have to buy a big fancy instrument and do a bunch of capital expenditures to be able to utilize this new technology. It's really a plug and play technology that may be utilized with any of about 250,000 instruments that are out in the world today.
Dr. Rainier, a former Purdue professor, stressed that a lot of people in academia do research like this but don't always commercialize it to share with society.
During the course of teaching, which I love to do, to teach, periodically you will see things that you realize that the scientific community knows, but it's not being used in society. And one of them was quality control of pharmaceutical substances in human medicine. It wasn't really being done.
Dr. Rainier also pointed out that people used to have to travel to the East or West Coast to get jobs in the technology industry. He is proud that Novolytic is part of a movement that is putting an end to that, allowing technology that is conceived in Indiana to be manufactured and produced here as well. Reporting in West Lafayette, Marcus Truccio, News 18.